Bienvenue sur notre chaîne. Welcome to our channel. Hélène et Serge. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel again. In this video we're heading to Rainbow Bridge National Monument. And you saw in the previous video the boat trip we did on Lake Powell from here to the entry of Rainbow Bridge Arch. So in this video we'll be starting the boat ride right here, and we'll be heading to Rainbow Bridge National Monument, and we'll be stopping with the boat right here, and then there's a walk of about not even a mile to reach the Rainbow Arch National Monument. So I hope you loved the video, and that's it. Have a great viewing, and don't forget to comment, put a thumb up, and if you haven't subscribed, well, please do so. It helps me to do some more nice videos. Thank you, and have a good trip.
Sunscreen on. Get yourself all prepared for your walk to Rainbow Bridge. There is no restroom along the trail or at the monument. Just here only on the boat and also at the floating dock.
Okay, folks, we're pulling into the docks now. If you're looking for Rainbow Bridge, you may not be able to see it yet from here, but we promise you won't be able to miss it when you come around the last bend of the hike. Before you leave the boat, we have a few important guidelines to keep you and this landscape safe. Please remember that you're in the desert and at an altitude of about 3,700 feet. Hiking may feel a bit more strenuous than you're used to, so don't rush and take slow, deep breaths. Please make sure to drink plenty of water. Watch your footing. Please stay on the established trail. There are no restrooms on the trail or at the monument. Local Native Americans consider Rainbow Bridge to be a sacred site. We ask for your voluntary cooperation in not walking under Rainbow Bridge. Please don't leave anything behind, especially your signature. Ancient images carved into the rock are called petroglyphs. Modern images carved into rock are called graffiti, and defacement of park property. Please don't write or carve into the rocks. Creating your own markings is illegal and may carry jail time. Watch your step as you leave and when coming back on board. If you are on the top deck, just a reminder, please face the steps when going down. A crew member will be coming along with you as a guide.
Please be careful. If you cannot make the walk, please turn around. Head back to the boat. Very hard to get help out here, so please be careful. We do have bottled water on board for you. The crew will pull the ice chest out. Go ahead and grab one. No trash can along the trail. Please bring everything back. Than 1 hour and 30 minutes, that's okay. The next boat is in 3 days, so please be back on time. For that, make sure you bring everything down to the main deck. We do have ravens out here. They tend to help themselves with anything, so. Okay, if you look over here to the right side, just coming into view, about 1 o'clock, halfway up the cable wall, you'll see a vertical arch. Jack handle arch.
I did. Welcome.
Would you nominate me?
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to Rainbow Bridge.
vraiment une belle place, le Rainbow Bridge, à faire une fois dans sa vie. Thank you. T'es belle, mon amour.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
T'es super belle, mon amour.
Des bonnes jambes, hein?
T'es bien à l'ombre, hein? Ça devrait être le même sur le long.
Ça devrait. Mais le bon Dieu, il n'a pas fait ça de même.
Il nous en a donné un peu. On the capture.
J'espère que vous avez aimé cette vidéo. N'hésitez pas à vous abonner pour voir plus d'aventures. I hope you loved this video. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to see more adventures.